I'm Ruby from Ruby's Bedtime Stories. Today I'm going to read Easter Bunny Blunders. Can Easter be saved? By Jaybie D. And this book has been sent to me from Austin, Texas, which is in the USA. In a burrow so cosy, where magic was spun, lived Bryson the bunny, who made Easter fun. His basket was special, a magical door that led to his workshop with baskets galore. Hi, I'm Philip. Count how many times you see me in the pages. Just reach inside, through the bottom he'd go, to pull out a basket for each child to know. One fateful day, McKinley made a splash. The magic inside made a flicker, then crash. Fizzle, whoosh, zing, plop. Psh! The basket's bright glow faded away. How would Bryson save Easter Day? Bryson rushed to his cousin, inventive and smart, Bentley the bunny, with a big caring heart. Don't worry, said Bentley. We'll find a way. My drones will deliver baskets up, up and away. Drones flew high with baskets in tow, zipping along, all baskets in a row. Some sparkled with glitter, others shone bright, filled with yummy treats. It was a magical sight. Some drones, so clumsy, zigged and zagged. Some bumped into trees and others dragged. Boingity boing boing. Children woke up, thinking UFOs flew. They tugged on their parents. Look, it's all true! A dad in his slippers tripped over some shoes. Thud youch! A mum called the cops with the wildest news. Yes! I said UFOs! Bryson sighed, feeling pressure all day. This isn't working. I need a new way. Amid the chaos, his thoughts grew clear, recalling Mum's words from yesteryear. Their joy is the way, she'd always say, to keep magic alive on Easter Day. That's it. They closed their eyes and whispered so low, Dear children, believe, let your happiness show. Your joy fuels the magic and keeps Easter bright. Please share it this Easter and make it all right. Now it's your turn to help. Wave your hands in the air. Now wiggle your feet. Bring back Easter's magic to the basket complete. With giggles and wiggles, the magic will flow to bring back the Easter joy we all know. Now, say this with me. Giggle snort, wiggle whoop, he hoots. The basket is glowing from all your cheer. Easter magic saved the best time of year. You did it! Take a bow. Quickly now, the sun's almost here. Hop away fast, the morning is near. That morning brought confusion and surprise all around. But don't worry, all the goodies were quickly found. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the book. And a big thank you to Jaybie D for sending me this fantastic book. Thank you. Bye.